Good morning students. In this video we are going to see unit 20 organ system and animal in the textbook exercise. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is not a salivary gland? So sublingual, submaxillary, parotid or a salivary glands. The lacrimal is not a salivary gland. Stomach of human being mainly digest proteins. Mainly digest protein. To prevent the entry of food into the trachea is opening guard epiglottis. Bile help in the digestion of fat. Bile help the digestion of fat. The structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. Again the same question, nephron answer. Which one of the following substance is not constituted with this sweat? Sweat is coming out through the sweat gland. In that urea, water, salt are coming along with the sweat. But protein is not coming with that. The common passage of meat, the transporting urine and sperm in male. Sperm in male is vas, V-A-S, vas deferens, D-E-F-E-R-E-N-S, vas deferens. Which one of the following is not part of female reproductive system? That is testes. Testes is a male reproductive system. The opening of stomach into the intestinal. The opening of stomach into the intestine is called pylorus. P-Y-L-O-R-U-S. Pylorus. The muscular organ, sensory organs which help in mixing of food with the saliva is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Bile secreted by liver is stored in temporarily in gallbladder. Temporarily in gallbladder. The longest part of alimentary canal is ileum, otherwise called small intestine. The human body functions normally at the temperature above 37 degrees Celsius. The longest cell in the human body, the largest cell in the human body is ovum. State whether the false, true or false. First one, false. Nitric acid in the stomach kills the microorganism, not nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. HYDRO, chloric CHLORIC. Hydrochloric acid in the stomach kills the microorganism. Nitric, in the place of nitric we have to write hydrochloric. Next, during digestion proteins are break down into amino acid. True. Glomerular filtrate consists of many substances like amino acids, vitamin, hormones, salt, glucose and other essential substances. That is wrong. False. Correct answer is hormones are not present in the glomerular pipe. This is not in the glomerulus. It is in the hormones are not present in the glomerular fibrate அப்படின்னு எழுதிடலாம். Which one? Hormones HO சின்னதா எழுதலாம். HORMONES hormones are not present in the glomerular fibrate. இதெல்லாம் வேணாம். These are all not necessary. Hormones are not present in the glomerular filtrate. No, glomerular filtrate. That is the correct answer. Match the following. Skin, sweat, lungs, carbon dioxide, intestine, undigested food, kidney, urine. We have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you children. Remaining part we will see the next video.